Have you ever noticed how the most low-maintenance people are usually carrying the heaviest maintenance of all? Just not their own. Take Kaylani. Her phone never stops vibrating, a constant stream of everyone else's emergencies, vent sessions, and quiet panics. She is the steadfast anchor. But over in the corner sits a beautifully wrapped gift with her name on it. Unopened, covered in cobwebs. It is a strange kind of safety, isn't it? Being the person who needs nothing. You convince yourself that by demanding less, you are making the world a little lighter. You swallow your bad days and your exhaustion because someone else always has it worse. So, Kaylani responds to the 5th crisis text of the hour. That unopened gift in the corner isn't just a forgotten box. It is the terrifying vulnerability of being seen. If she opens it, if she admits she actually likes being celebrated, the illusion shatters. The low-maintenance identity is just a shield, a carefully crafted armor designed to ensure people keep her around because she is easy. To ask for something feels like becoming a burden. So she shrinks her own needs down to 0, hoping no one notices the space she isn't taking up. But the cost of being everyone's safe place is that you leave yourself entirely out in the rain. The tragedy here isn't that people do not want to give to her. The tragedy is that she will not let them. That cobwebbed gift was given with love, but accepting it means accepting she deserves space to exist without being of service. By working so desperately to be perfectly easy to love, she made herself completely impossible to reach. She poured all her emotional energy into keeping the world afloat and quietly let herself drown in the shallows. The quietest truth is that nobody actually expects you to be a flawless anchor forever. The people who genuinely love you do not love you just because you ask for nothing. They want to see you open the gift. They want to hold the weight for a while. Your space in this world is not something you have to earn by being invisible.